Hey, hun, how you doing? I got that big deal signed at work, and they're giving me a $10,000 bonus. I'm gonna head straight down to that ICO shop that everyone's been talking about and get us invested in one of those there ICOs. You need anything on my way down to the shop? A bottle of wine? Okay, that sounds good. I'll see you soon, hun. Bye-bye. Aw, damn, I'm so excited. Gonna go down and get me one of them ICOs just like those guys on YouTube. Wonder what color Lamborghini I'm gonna buy. Hey, honey, I just had to call you up. I just went to that ICO store. You know what they told me? They told me I'm an unsophisticated investor. They didn't want my $10,000. Can you believe that? I tell you. Anyway, I forgot to ask you, what kind of wine do you want, red or white? Hey, Carl, how you doing? I'll have a bottle of red, please. Oh, you guys are busy in here today, aren't you? Mega Millions. $1.6 billion in the lottery. $2 a ticket. I'll have 5,000 tickets, Carl. This is gonna be the best thing ever. I'm gonna be a billionaire. Ha ha ha, jeepers, that's a lot of money. Hey, honey, I got that wine for you, and I found a place to invest that $10,000. Went down to Carl's, and I bought us 5,000 lottery tickets for the Mega Millions.
I'm gonna goddamn kill you!
Welcome, everyone, to this October 22nd edition of What's Happening in Crypto. Today's top stories. Saudi Arabian monarchs are terrified of satire. Crypto refugees. Bank heads speak positively about cryptocurrencies. And everyone wants to win $2 billion. Saudi Arabia is in the news again, although it is not for the killing of a journalist in their embassy, nor is it for bombing school buses in Yemen, but for the new anti-satire law. Anyone caught publishing online satire in the kingdom will now face a 5-year jail term. So if someone were, for example, to publish this cartoon on their social media account, then they would face a 5-year jail term in Saudi Arabia. Oops, guess I'm gonna have to cancel my trip to Mecca. Damn. This is an unsurprising development, to be honest, for the thin-skinned monarchs of Saudi Arabia, and yet it presents itself as yet another use case for cryptocurrency, as projects like Horizon will allow would-be Saudi satirists to publish with anonymity. This also serves as a reminder that behind the official rhetoric of opening Saudi Arabia to the world, the kingdom maintains an iron fist over its citizens, and that centralized governing structures do not exist to provide freedom to citizens. Hashtag decentralize. The CEO of Cyberbank, Russia's biggest bank, Herman Gref, has come out saying the following: the future of cryptocurrencies are not clear so far as the state will not give up its central role, won't allow decentralized cryptocurrencies. Though this might be the proper model, as for me, I'm for a distributed model, including in money supply. But it seems like that is not in the cards for the next, well, let's be optimistic, 10 years. Herman goes on to say the following: the technology, blockchain, isn't ready right now. When will it be ready? In my view, in 3 to 5 years. Blockchain's potential is huge. The philosophy embodied in it could drastically change approaches in many areas. Improving this technology could bring huge value both to business and society. While this may seem like a very long time, we must keep in mind that we are still early in the game for crypto and for blockchain, of course. And that by being early investors in cryptocurrencies, we're actually being offered a really great opportunity here to get these assets before they really go mainstream. Because once everyone knows about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and everyone owns it, the massive gains will have largely already passed. As a reminder, Cyberbank has been into blockchain for some time and is even a member of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. The deputy governor of the Bank of Japan has doubled down on his stance that central bank issued digital currencies are indeed a bad idea and would be unlikely to improve existing monetary systems. I smell a Bitcoin holder here. Rat, what do you think? Bitcoin holder? Yeah, I think so. It's actually quite interesting to see the different views of these industry insiders and how they are approaching cryptocurrencies. A deal between Liberty X and ATM manufacturer Gen Mega may see Bitcoin being available for purchase on up to, wait for it, 100,000 ATMs. The implementation of the buying feature, though, will depend on the willingness of operators to offer the service. But even a small percentage of clients saying yes to the offering could have a significant impact, particularly in terms of getting Bitcoin into more hands. For existing Gen Mega ATM owners, they will simply need to run a software upgrade to start offering Bitcoin to their clients. Litecoin fees are set to be lowered again, this time by a whopping 10 times in the next core release. The move is intended to be a proactive move aiming to ease transaction fee burdens before the next peak network event. The move will bring the average fee from around 5 cents down to half a cent. Wow, that's cheap. Powerledger is the winner of this year's Extreme Tech Challenge, hosted by everyone's favorite Bond villain, Richard Branson, on his private island. This is a strong approval of the technological implementation on offer from the Powerledger team, as well as a good bit of PR, helping get the Powerledger brand a bit of extra promotion. Of course, a bit of extra attention from some of the world's top entrepreneurs. NEM continues to grow in prowess in the Pacific, launching their new blockchain hub in Melbourne, Australia. The hub will, among other things, host educational programs and blockchain events, as well as serving as a support center for NEM-based startups. The geographic footprint of NEM has been on the rise for some time, recently having launched their New Zealand blockchain hub. Omnitude is moving from Ethereum to Stellar, making it the latest refugee to flee Ethereum. Cited reasons for the move are Stellar's high scalability, fast transaction times, and low transaction fees. Omnitude has said that they see the move as pivotal in helping it reach mainstream adoption. I wonder how many more Ethereum refugees we will see before Ethereum actually gets its act together. My guess is a lot. Another market refugee, ZebPay, is packing up shop and getting out of India and heading for Malta, following in the footsteps of other exchanges like Binance and OKX. The continued flow of business to the small island country's doorstep should serve as a stark reminder for other countries of the missed business opportunities that they are facing as these cryptocurrency businesses seek out friendlier shores. Malta is certainly setting the stage for it to be a major player in the crypto scene. On to our final story of the day. The Mega Millions lottery jackpot in the United States is now over $2 billion, with the chances of winning being 1 in 302 million. All major news outlets are reporting the story and are encouraging people to buy their tickets to be in to win. Just stop to think for a moment. You can take your life savings down to the corner store and buy up lottery tickets, and you are almost certainly going to lose everything. Where's the SEC now to protect all these unsophisticated investors? Why are all the major media outlets allowed to entice grandmas and hardworking people to go out and buy something that will almost certainly result in a complete loss of their money? I want you to think about that the next time that you read about Americans being excluded from an ICO, and ask yourself, what is the SEC really trying to protect? Thanks so much for watching today's episode. I would love to know what you think about any of today's stories down below in the comment section. I love you all. Please thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell down below to stay up to date with what is happening in crypto. Join the conversation over on Twitter, Telegram, or Steemit. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.